Hi, I'm Kevin McNamara talking to you guys today from Pro Sport, and what we're going to discuss today is one of the modalities or tools that we like to use from a rehabilitation setting, particularly in a post-operative situation. So one of the implementations or one of the devices that we really like to use to mitigate some post-operative atrophy, particularly if we are in a position where we may be non-weight bearing or we may have certain range of motion restrictions that are limiting us from introducing some progressive loading early on, is blood flow restriction. So blood flow restriction using the personalized tourniquet system from Delphi allows us to sort of leverage adaptations in a manner that will create some adaptations in stress tissue in a way that mimics loads that we may get from something that is higher load strength training. An example of this may be something like a back squat at a 70% 1RM. With the use of blood flow restriction, it allows us to create the same sort of cellular stress and tissue or metabolic stress that we would get with those higher loads without having to actually expose the person to the external loads needed to drive some of those adaptations. So early on in a post-operative situation, the use and implementation of blood flow restriction is a great way to continue to drive adaptations, mitigate the effects of immobilization or non-weight bearing, and maintain some of the qualities that we're after or we're looking to drive throughout the rehabilitation process.